In the year 1945, an event of unprecedented magnitude shook the world. A nuclear explosion, the first of its kind, lit up the skies over New Mexico. This was the herald of a new age, an age of nuclear power, an age of fear, an age of awe. But this was merely the beginning. Brace for a shocking revelation. Since then, the world has witnessed a staggering 2,056 nuclear blast tests. Picture that, 2,056 mushroom clouds, 2,056 shockwaves reverberating around the globe. Imagine a small town nestled in the heart of America, a quiet community, a place where everyone knows everyone. Now imagine a devastating force, a cataclysmic event that wipes this town off the map in an instant. Repeat this scenario 2,056 times. That is the sheer magnitude of the nuclear tests we've conducted since 1945. But let's step back for a moment. What is a nuclear test? In the simplest terms, it's a demonstration, a show of power. It's a signal to the world that says, look at what we can do. But at what cost? Each test, each explosion sends shockwaves not only through the air, but through the very fabric of our planet. The soil we walk on, the water we drink, even the air we breathe, all bear the scars of these tests. Now let's delve a little deeper. What happens when a nuclear bomb detonates? In the immediate aftermath, there's a blast wave, a wall of force that obliterates everything in its path. Then comes the heat, a fireball hotter than the surface of the sun. Finally, there's the radiation, invisible but deadly, seeping into the soil, the water, even our very DNA. So we're left with a question. How much damage are these tests doing to our planet? The answer is, unfortunately, a lot. Each test disrupts local ecosystems, contaminates water sources, and leaves behind a legacy of radiation that lingers for generations. Yet despite the evidence, despite the damage, the war machine rumbles on. More tests, more explosions, more devastation. It's a cycle that seems to have no end. But what if it could end? What if we, as a global community, could come together and say, enough is enough? The time has come for us to take a stand, to push back against the war machine, to strive for the healing of our planet. It's a daunting task, but not an impossible one. Remember, we are the caretakers of this world, and it's our duty to protect it. In conclusion, since the first nuclear test in 1945, we've conducted over 2,000 tests, each one a devastating blow to our planet. The effects of these tests are far-reaching, contaminating our soil, our water, and even our DNA. It's high time we take a stand and work towards healing our world, because if not us, then who? If not now, then when?